besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome, and if you're my old and returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love and appreciate you guys so well. So if you're just tuning into my channel for the first time, my name is Vivian. So guys, on this video today, I'm going to be taking you guys step by step on how I make my creamy body butter that I sell. Yes, although this production we're going to do is not really much, I'm just doing like 5 kg body butter. Yes, we're doing 5 kg body butter. So I have all my ingredients listed and drafts out. Yes, my recipes and my formulas are here. So I'm making this production from home. Yeah, I'm making it from home. Yeah, I might have some emergency order that I need to deliver ASAP. So I want to make it from home. So I just let me shared my step by step how I make my body butter. Okay, because I know a lot of you will also be interested to learn, because trust me, the body butter is looking so luxury, is looking so creamy. Like, you want to learn how to make this body butter in a it's very simple. Trust me, you love it. So if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a good thumbs up, and also like and share this video. Yes guys, so let's just dive straight into the video before wasting much of your time. So guys, here we have our recipe pasted out. So guys, here we are measuring out our water phase. We have our powders, we have our whitening powders, our active into our water phase. Okay, so when you're making yours, it's always important your water phase. You add your active that is water soluble, add them to your water phase. So here we have our butters we are using for this recipe. You can use any butter of your choice. I use we use shea butter, we use mango butter, we use cucumber butter. Yes guys, so yeah, we measure out our we are making sure we are measuring at everything in accuracy. Okay, so please, when you're measuring, always use your scale. It's very important. So here this is our oil phase right now. Yeah, we are measuring our oil phase, and we're adding all the whole powders. Making body butters, you can make it in a different pattern, but trust me, if you follow this procedure and make your body butter, you would definitely love it. Like, you would definitely love it. When I hear people say body butter darkens, it's because you don't know the ingredients you need to put together to add to your body butter to make it active and also safe. Here we have our oil phase. You can use any oil of your choice. You can add any carrier oils of your choice. You can add your almond oil, you can add your jojoba oil, you can add your argan oil. Just make a deep research of oils that you know that you love, that is suitable for you and your customers. Okay, I've made this multiple times, and there's some oils my customers love, and I love to incorporate those oils that will moisturize, that will glow, and also yeah, to give this skin a shiny skin. So here I'm adding my waxes. You are free to use any wax of your choice. You can use your e-wax, you can use your beeswax, you can use any waxes of your choice. So here I use my waxes. What I use is Care. So yeah, it is so nice. It covers so well on your formulas or your formulation, so you can use any wax of your choice. So yeah, this body butter is everything. Trust me guys, if you follow these procedures, you would definitely love it. Here I'm adding my active that are oil based, yes, that are oil soluble. I'm adding them to my butters. Yes guys, so I use active like mandelic acid. Yes, it's one of our active in our formulas, in our body butters. Mandelic acid, we use our niacinamide, we use our kojic palmitate as well. Yes, in our active fix. So guys, you can use any active of your choice, but try to use them in their percentage usage rate. Yeah, we have a kojic palmitate, yes, added into our oil phase as well. You guys know that kojic dip is oil based, is oil soluble. Yes, why kojic acid is water soluble. So do what that works best for you. But in this formula, I will ask you and I will advise you to use kojic dip, because when you use kojic acid palmitate, trust me, your butter is going to change color definitely. So I don't advise you using that to your body butter or to your body lotions. I prefer you using your kojic palmitate, because this is a more stable form of the kojic acid yes family. Yeah, so we are incorporating everything together Here is our oil phase. We are incorporating everything with the active, with the butters, with the oils. We are trying to incorporate them together to make a very, very nice consistency. Yes, guys, so we're going to yes, we are heating this up right now. Yeah, we're eating this up. We are doing double boiling method, but due to the kind of pot I'm using, I'm just cooking it on a very, very low heat. Like I said, I'm doing this formulation from home. Yeah, it's a very, very simple formula, and I'm not really making large batch. I'm just making 5 kg because I have a very big order. Like I have a very urgent order that I need to deliver ASAP. So that is why I say let me make these productions from home, since it's a small production I'm making. Okay, so here is my water phase and here is my oil phase. So I'm trying to incorporate them together, making sure all the powders, everything are incorporated properly and well melted. Okay, so this is how you have to cook on the low heat. Please don't overcook or overheat your oils to reduce the importance of the active that you incorporated. Okay, so here is it. Here you can see everything is melting. Yeah, so we are incorporating the water phase, incorporating the oil phase into the water phase. When you're making your lotions, your butters, you always put your oils into your water phase, not water into your oils. Please don't make that mistake. It's when you are making your soap that you can add your water phase into your oil phase. Hope I'm making sense anyway. So this is it. And after adding the oil into the water, we are trying to incorporate it together. We're trying to incorporate it together properly, trying to incorporate it very well, for everything to incorporate together for that lovely consistency. So we're going to stick blend this now. Yeah, blending this. Look at how creamy, guys. Can your body butter ever? Yes, guys. So if you have watched this end, please subscribe. I'm going to be dropping amazing recipes, how we make and produce our products. Like if you want to learn how to make effective recipes, like you want to learn how to make this professionally, if you follow this recipe, you will make it professionally. Trust me. Yes, guys. Look at how beautiful this is. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Okay, subscribe and like this video, because we're going to be getting more recipes on this channel. Yes, guys. So yeah, we're still stick blending. No, you have to blend this so well. Like you need to stick blend it very well to get this creamy and this creamy consistency. Okay, so you can see how creamy, like it's looking so beautiful already. Look at how creamy this body butter is. It's looking watery, and because it's still hot. Okay, because I know a lot of you will be like, it's not body butter they are making, why is it not like this? No, it's because it's still hot, so it's going to be like this. I'm going to leave this to cure. Like I left it to calm, like the body butter, sorry guys, after turning and whisking it, I have to leave it for it to properly cool down. Okay, so this is my cool down phase. I'm adding my vitamin E oil. This is a tocopherol oil, original vitamin E oil. So this is my cool down phase. Here we are adding our cool down phase. Okay, because the body butter have solidified. I didn't add this in the freezer. For a lot of you that will make body butter and be adding in the freezer, keep it in the freezer for it to thicken up, for it to solidify. No, none of this was added into my body butter. After whisking it, I just drop it down for it to cool down properly. If you are not in a hurry, after making it today, you can leave it till tomorrow, then you add your cool down phase. Do you understand? So that is what I did. So here I'm adding my glycerin, I'm adding other of my cool down phase, I'm adding this here is my booster. This is my booster serum. This is my DIY booster serum. I'm using it to boost the effectiveness of this body butter. That is why I say that our healthy glow body butter can never darken you. It's going to lighten you naturally, give you a blended uniform skin, not a blaze skin, but it's not going to darken you. It's going to lighten your skin natural. I'm still trying to show my logo. Trying to show my logo, guys. Yes, so I'm still adding I'm adding my essential oil, I'm adding fragrance, guys. So in this is how you make amazing body butter. See the process is so easy, so easy. You see the outcome, you see the finished look of this body butter. Like, you would definitely love this body butter, guys. You see, I'm still trying to show you guys. So show you, go and follow us on TikTok, OlyveenSkinCare, and Instagram, OlyveenSkinCare. Go and follow us, okay? Yes, guys, see our body butter now. Look at how creamy. Look at how creamy this body butter is looking. Like, guys, just formulate your body butter with this step by step, this pattern. Trust me, you will definitely love your body butter. This is not those body butter that will later separate from oil, to separate oil from, that will separate each other. You see, oil will go one side and then butter will, no, not this one, not this one. If you want the full formula, if you want a step by step, like full recipe of this body butter, you can send me a DM, but it's not free. Oh, please, it's not free, okay? Yes, it's not free. Like, you want it more detailedly, you want me to teach you how to make body butter professionally, then you send me a DM with the number you're seeing on the screen. We'll talk about that. Yes, guys, look at how beautiful, look at how thick, look at how yummy, look at how creamy, look at how creamy this body butter is looking. Guys, we formulated this from the scratch, and you saw all the process, you saw all the procedures, and look at, this is the outcome, this is everything you need. Oh my goodness, look at body butter now. So guys, this is it for this video. Look at how body, these are finished, the finished look. You are buried in for our customers. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a hot thumbs up. I love you guys.